Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, even good evening, and today welcome to the English lesson. Still with me, Mr. Tatang Pindi Pausta. Today we are going to learn with a passive voice. So let's have a look in this slide. I will give you some slides about the explanation of the passive voice. Yeah. So what is passive voice? We can check and have a look on the next slide. So in this discussion, I will show you there are two discussions and they are passive voice in the present tense, and the second one is a passive voice in the past tense. Now, so let's have a look. Okay, let's find the definition of passive voice. So what is passive voice? The passive voice is used when we want to emphasize the action or the verb and the object of a sentence rather than the subject. Yeah, from this definition, we can conclude that we are going to focus on the action of the verb or the activity, and of course with the object rather than the subject. So we are not going to focus on the subject who do this, but we are focusing on the action or the verb and the object. Okay, next. So let's have a look for the active or passive. You have to divide it into the two groups. I will divide it into two groups to understood what is active, what is passive. But we are focusing on the passive. Okay. So let's have a look on the picture here. There is a boy, yeah, who is kicking the ball. Okay. So in active, we will say he kicked the ball. Yeah. From the active sentence, we are focusing on the subject who kicked the ball. Okay, we are focusing on the subject and the verb. Yeah. Okay. But in passive, yeah, different. In the passive, we are focusing on the object. We are focusing on the ball. Yeah. The ball is kicked by him. Yeah, the ball is kicked by him. We use verb three. We use verb three is and verb three is kicked. Okay. Next. Okay. Remember that kick is the focusing on the activity. Yeah. This we have to focus on the activity and the object. Next slide. We will see the next discussion, passive voice in the present tense. Yeah. Now, before we continue to the example, more example about the passive voice in the present tense, we have to look the rule that we have to do. Yeah. Okay. I will repeat again. We use to be. Yeah. We use to be and verb three. Yeah. Or past participle. Okay. Yeah. To be in the present, we will use is and are. Yeah, remember this. That is the differences between passive voice in the present tense and the past. Yeah, in the present we will use is, am, are as a to be. Let's see the example here. We can see the boy who is eating the apple. That's so delicious. That's my favorite food too. Okay, what we will say? We will say the apple is eaten by him. Okay, we are focused on the apple, not the boy, but we are focusing on the apple is eaten. Is eaten. To be and verb three. The to be is, that means it's a present tense. And eaten with a verb three. Yeah, eaten. Okay, the apple is eaten by him. Okay, sometimes we don't need to use by him. It's okay. Like the apple is eaten. Okay, because we are not focusing on the subject. Next one, yeah, that's next fruit is banana. Okay, it's same. The bananas are eaten by the monkey. Why it's use are? Because look at the banana is more than one. Yeah, but in the previous picture here, the apple is only one. That's why we use is. The apple is. But different with this, the banana are. The bananas are eaten by the monkey. Easy? Easy. That's the example on the present tense. next one, we will discuss with the passive voice in the past tense. Yep, in the past tense we will see, yeah, it's similar, it's a similar rule, but we have a different thing in the to be. Yeah, we use to be and verb 3, and of course the to be is will be changed with was and were. Yeah, was and were. Remember, when the in the present we use is mr, but in the past then we use was and were. Okay, now let's have a look for the next example. Yeah. Okay, I will still use with the same picture. Yeah. Focus on the apple. Focus on the apple. That is the passive voice. Okay, the apple was eaten by him. Yeah, the apple was eaten by him. Because the apple is only one, we use was. Yeah. And eaten as the verb 3. Next. Similar picture with bananas and the monkey here. Okay, the bananas were eaten by the monkey. Okay, I use were because the bananas are more than one. Yeah, remember this. We use was for only one. Were is for more than one. That's called a plural. Yeah, we use was for a singular. Okay. Yep. So let's see the conclusion. Okay, the conclusions are we use passive voice to express the action and the object. Action and the object, or object or the action. Okay. And the rules of making passive voice is using to be and verb A. Sorry, verb 3, verb ing, yeah. The rule of making passive voice is using to be and verb ing. That's it, to be and verb ing, right? And they make it different is just only the tense. Thank you very much for my explanation. If you have any question, you can ask and keep the comment below. Thank you very much and bye-bye.